Um, Hey guys, it's me, Kolisila Mabani, Forex Academy. I would like to make a recap on gold that paid us yesterday, as I was anticipating during the live session, the video I shared on YouTube. Then this was my analysis. I placed my Fibonacci from the high of New York Open after the 14th hour candle, then to the low of New York Open. Then the market gave an early entry on during the Asian and London gap. Then hope others made profit out of that and moved their entries break even, and then the market came back to. So I entered here, then they came and take me out. Then I funded my account again and then started to enter whenever they were going down. Then I closed my trades early here, and I could have made two cash transit. And remember that the last take profit has not been taken out, and as I was sharing that video without the sound, I identified this candle that the market has to come and test that candle or the 50% of it, but the second candle did tested the 50% of this week. Then on this candle also, what they do, they come to test the 50% of this week, and where here, then I could have a better entry after the 14th hour candle again. And then this is OTE, guys. It was a perfect nice OTE. Now remember, I was talking about the Wyckoff. This is the Wyckoff method of taking trades and safe trades. Now here, remember, we haven't take out the lows that I was talking about, and we are having NFP today. And then as I was scalping in the morning, I took my trade here, then knowing that they will create equal highs as they are doing now. They will come to test the 50% of this candle. That's why I made this box, this last candle. And then as they did here, they wanted to bounce, but they didn't. Then they will create the test, but remember, because of its NFP, they will go to the low that I have shared in the channel with and the picture that shows the equal lows that they have to go to take. Let me see if my MetaTrader could go these points. I will zoom in the structure again so that you could see where I want them to come. This way I'm looking at, guys. They might come to test those zones, these areas, then before they rise. And then I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Play safe, guys. Play safe. It's important to have an account to trade NFP, and once they have created the lows, the highs, the two equal highs like they did yesterday. Remember, I talked about these two equal lows that the market has to come to take out. They also created these two equal lows, then they come and take them. Look how they did. Look how they took those two equal lows, guys. They took these two equal lows with this candle, then they come and retest this zone, then they dropped, take out the low of yesterday, then they went back and come and retest this week, then they drop, then they come and test the high of yesterday as New York open, and then they drop. So I was already out, and today in the morning I took my trade on the 50% of this candle. Then I closed my trade here, and I was expecting them to bounce on this line, the 50% of this candle, and they didn't. This is just a pure Wyckoff, guys. I'm expecting them to create the two equal highs, then break the structure to create another two equal highs, then they will drop and test this 50% of this candle, or just bounce on it, then take out the two equal highs that they will create. Then with NFP, I'm expecting them to drop, then rise. Then I'll be rising with them if they do that. If they don't, I'll play safe and not trading. Hope you enjoy this one, guys. Hi Papat. Before I close, let me just recap on other pairs that we were trading yesterday. My MetaTrader is failing me. Okay, with GBP USD, we reached all the levels, and we expecting the same structure as GBP as gold, and then this was NZD USD, and let's go to GBP USD. It also gave us cash transit, so it hasn't finished, it hasn't completed this move, as I'm expecting them to take out the World Bank, and then as AUD USD has already taken out the World Bank, and Euro USD has already surpassed the World Bank, as they are creating the Wyckoff also. I'll be expecting to see the spring and the retest, and then GBP, Euro JPY, CHF JPY, GBP JPY are all acting up. Hope you enjoy, guys.